Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the picture you want and placing it where you can find it fast, on desktop or in Pictures. Once done, check format and size. JPG or PNG work best, because some apps reject large files. Make sure to resize for the target area, since a stretched image looks bad. Also, rename the file descriptively and remember the folder path. This saves time during the next steps when you import or set the image as wallpaper. You now apply the image using the quickest method. Right-click and pick Set as Desktop Background or Open Settings Personalization Background to access modes. Once there, choose Fill, Fit, Stretch, Tile, or Center so the image scales correctly. Fill preserves composition, Fit avoids cropping. If you have multiple monitors, make sure to assign the image to a specific display rather than the entire desktop. This prevents unexpected scaling and guarantees the layout you intended. You finish by verifying the change. Lock the screen or sign out to inspect how the image appears across contexts. If the new picture doesn't show, clear the thumbnail/cache or restart Explorer, because cached images often persist. Also, confirm the file is on an accessible drive and not blocked by permissions. Move it to Pictures if necessary. If problems persist, recreate the image in a standard format and repeat the apply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.